Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video on New Mission. New Mission is an interlocking pattern paver consisting of 3 sizes. These weathered, cobble-textured pavers can be used in many applications such as walkways, patios, and residential driveways. New Mission is available in all our standard colors, but for even more versatility, people often choose to blend different colors in the same project for a truly unique custom look. The New Mission pattern consists of 3 different sizes with nominal dimensions of 6" by 9", 9" by 9", and 9" by 12". Each pallet weighs approximately 3,050 pounds and covers 100 square feet. When used as a border course, a pallet of New Mission will yield 140 linear feet. There are several helpful tools to bring during installation, including a landscape rake, shovels, levels, compaction device, diamond blade concrete saw, fabric, screed rails and bars, and a leveling device. For the base, we recommend using a minimum 6 inches of dense grade angular aggregate base, compacting in lifts. Next, screed out a 1-inch layer of bedding sand, and you're ready to start laying pavers. Of course, the conditions of each site are different and may require unique engineering. Always defer to the design engineer when applicable. New Mission has a layout pattern that facilitates quick installation and ensures that all of the paver sizes are used in the correct proportion. Patterns are available in the High Format Technical Guide or at highformat.com. A kneeler board can be useful to help from disturbing the base if you have to step onto the bedding sand. For the most natural color blending, install from multiple pallets simultaneously whenever possible. When necessary, we recommend using a standard diamond blade equipped cutoff saw or table saw to trim pavers. Use leftover cuts to finish off your layout and to minimize waste. Each New Mission paver has a nominal 9-inch edge, which allows you to create a 9-inch border around your walkway, patio, or driveway. Try a complementary colored border for a clean, finished look. You can finish the patio by installing your preferred jointing material. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions when using third-party joint materials. Third-party materials are not covered under High Format warranty. Thank you for looking at New Mission. If you have further questions, please visit our website at highformat.com or contact your local sales representative.